So welcome to a new weekly vlog, and I have just filmed another video. So I did a little get ready with me, just explaining massive life updates. So if you're not up to date on my channel, then I definitely recommend going checking out my most recent get ready with me to basically just get up to speed with everything that is going on in my life right now. So it's Wednesday afternoon. I will just spend the rest of the afternoon before Tim comes home probably editing said get ready with me. So it's definitely a bit later on now, and the pizza's in the oven, and we've just got a little starter of some halloumi fries with some mayo. So just gonna tuck into those. The halloumi fries were amazing, and now got our pizza. So I'll show you it better in a second anyway. It's the Chicago Town. I think it's like stuffed crust chicken and bacon. We just added like a little drizzle of barbecue sauce and some jalapenos. And then I think plans for the rest of the evening. Hopefully gonna play some games. It's Saturday and I am actually meeting up with my brother today. We're going for lunch. I think we're going to Miller and Carter, which I'm very excited about because I haven't been there and I can't even tell you the last time I went there. Tim is actually away tonight. He is going to his parents' house and seeing his parents and his brother and his sister. So I'll just be here on my own this evening with the cats, probably like binging through some Netflix, or actually we've got a couple of like uni things I need to do. So I'll get those done. I'm going out now. So I'm almost in town. It's so sunny and warm. So you can tell I am back home now. So I walked into town, had a little coffee in Wetherspoons on my own, and then met up with my brother and my nephew, who is almost 3, and we went to Miller and Carter for our lunch. So I had halloumi fries to start off with, and then I had a ribeye steak for my main, and I went for peppercorn sauce and the like ranch and crouton iceberg wedge thing. So that was really good. And then somehow managed to have a bit of room for dessert, and I had banoffee pie, which was amazing. The bananas on top were like caramelized. Oh, it was just so delicious. And I definitely needed the walk home to like walk some of that off. It is still, as you can probably tell by this reflection and my squintiness, it is still really, really sunny outside. It's just gone 3:15, so I'm just going to chill here for a bit, probably just have a drink, like a coffee or something, and then I've got a couple of uni bits I need to do, and then I'll probably just, I don't know, maybe put on a Netflix series. So it's a bit later. I don't know why I'm sat on the floor, but anyway, it's comfortable. I've just been doing actually a little bit of editing. I've just got one video to edit at the moment because I've been trying to like keep on top of everything. So I've got a few videos sat there for when we arrive in Australia. We're settling in and everything. So yeah, just trying to keep things ticking over. I don't know if I've mentioned, but Tim is at his parents tonight. So it's just me and the cats. And yeah, I don't really know what to do with myself, to be honest. I've still got my 2 like introductory uni modules to do, which I'm probably going to do now. Had to do like all the photos and stuff for my student ID, which I have done, and I've just been having a little bit of a sort out of some like makeup bits and other bits and bobs that I'm going to give to Tim's sister, and I'll probably see if his mum wants anything as well, because we've just got so much stuff and I'd really rather it just go to people that want it. I don't really want to throw anything away. Obviously, if I don't have to, anything that they can have, or I could, you know, donate somewhere, then that's obviously what we're going to do. So yeah, going to crack on with these uni module things. And my friend yesterday actually recommended Cheer on Netflix, so I think I'm probably going to give that a go. and see how I get on with that a bit later on, or I might just watch a movie or something. I'm obviously not like hungry for any dinner because you would have seen my ginormous lunch that I had. Yeah, I'll probably just see you a bit later. Obviously still here, very much on my own. I've decided to have this little Hazy Jane peach, which is actually really nice, because I know they think peach can taste a bit like synthetic when it's in food or drinks, as opposed to being like an actual peach. But this is actually really nice, good peach flavour without it being too overpowering or, like I said, synthetic. I still haven't put anything on the TV. It's Sunday morning, I'm up, I'm showered. I'm obviously, we're not waiting for Tim to come home, but Tim will be home a bit later on today. But first things first, I've got a few little chores I just need to get done this morning. I need to put this away. I've got some other clean washing I need to put away. I need to put a load of washing on, and I need to do last night's washing up because, very unlike me, I didn't do it. Have a little clean of the kitchen and just some general bits and bobs. So I will take you along with me for my Sunday morning house chores. And then here is my laundry basket, completely overflowing. So let's get that on as well. Are waiting for their morning pouch. Do you want your pouch? Do you want your pouch? So I've had my morning coffee and it is now time to tackle that absolute mountain of washing up. Washing is almost done. Obviously once that's done I'll get that sorted out in the bedroom, but for now I am just making Tim's overnight oats for the week. I'm doing all 5 portions because I thought I might as well just get everything out once. I'm also actually seeing my parents for lunch today. They're coming round, I don't know, in an hour and a half or so, and I thought I would do some egg mayonnaise sandwiches for our lunch. So I've boiled my eggs, they're just cooling down. I just need to mix in the seasoning and the mayonnaise. So far my morning chores are going pretty well, feeling quite productive. I've kind of swept up the kitchen floor and wiped the sides down, so yeah, feeling pretty productive actually. So Tim's oats are done. You would have seen that I did a little variety of flavours there. Just sat down with another little coffee, and once I finish this I will tackle all of that washing. This is my big stack of clean washing that I need to hang up. So just hanging it on here is actually like really handy. It's a heated like clothes dryer, so I tend to obviously have it heated in the winter when it's not quite warm enough to put everything outside, and then in the summer I just tend to hang like our smalls on it. There's everything on there. What I'll do is after probably an hour or so, I'll just give everything a little bit of a move round so it all gets a chance to obviously be on the heat and get some air and everything. So I think I've done all my chores for now. I've done another load of washing up, had another little wipe down of the kitchen. I found some more stuff that I need to have a little declutter through later, just like some books and some DVDs. And I'm going to see obviously if my parents want anything, and then when Tim's parents drop him back later, just see whether they want anything, and then if not, we'll just take it to a charity shop or something. I think my parents will be around in about 15 minutes or so. It's currently 12:15, so obviously not going to vlog whilst they're here, and yeah, just looking forward to seeing them. I'm making lunch, I think I mentioned earlier, just doing like some egg mayo sandwiches. I've got a bit of salad and stuff as well, so yeah, probably just spend the next 15 minutes just sat, and I'll see you later. So my parents have just left. They were around for a couple of hours, which was really nice. We enjoyed our sandwiches, had like a little catch up, and Mum took some of like our books and DVDs that we won't need to take with us, and also she'd been eyeing up our yellow armchair, so she's taken that as well. So everything's sort of gradually going, and yeah, hopefully very soon it will be even emptier. But I'm just gonna pop to Tesco's now because I need to get some more milk. I need to get some bin bags. I think that's it. And then the plan when I get back is I just need to finish editing another video. I'll probably just get that like uploading onto YouTube, and then I think I'm gonna watch some more of Cheer, because I watched 2 episodes last night. I was getting like really into it. I just haven't had any time so far today to watch any TV because I've been doing like chores and stuff, and then obviously seeing my parents. So I'll do that. I'm not sure what time Tim is coming back. It's currently 3:25, so I don't think he'll be back like super duper late. But yeah, still just me and the cats. So it's definitely been ages of time and I haven't vlogged anything. I don't think I even showed my dinner, but anyway, I had a pizza, which was really nice. And then we've actually just had a couple of homemade cookies that Tim's sister made, which were really good, and just sat having a coffee now. So the video has just gone live of us telling the internet / the world, or whoever really cares, that we are going to Australia. And I think it's like 2 weeks now. Tim's back. He's here.
Oh, hi.
Hello. And just been doing some other little bits, like listed a few bits on like Facebook Marketplace and sold those, because obviously we just need to get rid of as much stuff as we can. I think the plan for the rest of the evening is we're going to watch a film. I think I'll probably have a bath again, just because that's quite nice and relaxing on a Sunday evening. And then I think that's pretty much it. I realise I haven't really ended this vlog, but anyway, I'm currently surrounded by just loads of chaos. We've got a few bits of furniture going today and just carrying on obviously with our sort out of everything. But I hope that you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.